Hello students. So let's discuss the important articles part 2. So let's begin. So first one is Article 1 declares the India as. The answer is Union of States. The next one, which of the articles can't be suspended during emergency? The answer is Article 20 and 21. Next one, which article deals with the fundamental duties? So the answer is Article 51A. Next, the right to privacy comes under which article? Answer is Article 21. Next, the recently revoked Article 370 is related to which state? Answer is Jammu Kashmir. Next, which article declared Hindi as the official language? Answer is Article 343. Next, which article of Indian Constitution ensures the freedom of speech? Answer is Article 19. Article related to Vice President of India. Answer is Article 63. Next, article related to right to property. So the answer is Article 300A. So previously it was under fundamental rights only, right to property, but now it is removed from the fundamental rights. Now it is a legal right. So we will be discussing some other session under which amendments these changes are done. Next, article related to human condition of work and maternity relief. Answer is Article 42. Next, so formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states related to. So here the answer is Article 3. You should know the difference between Article 2 and Article 3. So Article 2 tells that if you want to create a state which is not part of India already, then we will use Article 2. For example, if we want to add Nepal as a state of India, then we will use Article 2. And Article 3, if we want to create any new state from already existing states, then we will use Article 3. For example, Telangana is carved out of Andhra Pradesh, which is using Article 3. So that is the main difference. Next, governor of the state related to Article 153. Next, under which article the decision of the Central Administrative Tribunal can be challenged in the Supreme Court? Answer is 323A. Next, under which article the fundamental rights of the members of the armed force be specifically restricted? Answer is Article 33. Which article defines the duties of the Chief Minister? Answer is Article 167. Next, which article deals with the money bills? Answer is Article 110. Next, according to which article Council of the Ministers to be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha? Answer is Article 75. Next, the right to move freely throughout the India comes under which article? Answer is Article 19. Next, how many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer is 11. Next and last question, which article of the Indian Constitution states the directive principles of state policy on promotion of international peace and security? So the answer is Article 51. So this is the last question. Next, so I have added this slide to just revise your knowledge. So till now we have discussed around 40 articles. So I have placed all of them here. So just there are around 28 articles. Just mention your score in the comment box. So how many articles you got right? Okay, thank you students. So this is my YouTube channel Raghu Teaching Institute. So I will be uploading videos related to polity. Just now I started with articles. The next video, so I will be I will be uploading the videos from the start. So how the constitution is formed, so this objectives resolution and all the dates, and next I will start with the schedules and amendments. So you can follow my channel to thoroughly update with this polity, and meanwhile I will be updating the static GK videos also. So students, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it to with your friends. Thank you.